Hello and welcome back to your channel. Today we are starting exercise 3.3 question number 3. So let us start question number 3. So you have to form a pair of linear equation and solve them by substitution method. So the first part is the difference between two numbers is 26. So very first we will write let the two numbers are x and y. So what is, according to question, what is told to us, the difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. Find them. Okay. So this is equation number 1. From here we can find x minus 3y. Okay, we can leave it like this only. X is equals to 3y. Already the value of x we had. Substituting the value of x from equation number 2 in equation 1. What is the value of x? Keep in mind. First write the equation number this. X is equals to 3y. So 3y minus y is equals to 26. 2y is equals to 26. So y is equals to 13. So then from equation number 2. So now from equation 2 what you will get? X is equals to 3 into 13. So x is equals to 39. So you got the value of x and y by substitution method. Now let us do the second part. What is the second part of the question? Let us see. Second part is the larger of the two supplementary angles. Okay, very first it is given two supplementary angles right from here only. So let the two supplementary angles are x and y. तो पहली इक्वेशन यहीं से बन जाएगी. सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल मीन्स दोनों एंगल्स को ऐड करोगे तो कितना आना चाहिए? 180 डिग्री. ये तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हो गई. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू. ओके, द larger of the two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18. Let larger x है तो the larger of the two supplementary angle exceed means बड़ा होता है from y to by 18. So the larger of the two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18. Find them. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से x की वैल्यू तो हमें ऑलरेडी नोन है. So substituting value of x from equation 2 in equation 1. So write the equation 1. X plus y is equals to 180 degree. What is x? Y plus 18. So y plus 18 plus y is equals to 180 degree. 2y plus 18. 18 को उधर भेज दो. So 180 में से अगर 18 माइनस करेंगे so what you will get? 180 degree minus 18 degree. So 2y equals to 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 1 6, 162. So y is equals to 81. तो y 81 आ गया. अब यहाँ इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में रख लो. So from equation 2 write the statement yourself. Okay. So x is equals to y plus 18. So 81 plus 18, 99. So the two angles are 99 and 81 degrees. ठीक है. So the greater angle is 99 and the smaller angle is 18 degree. So next let us go to third part. Now moving to third part. What is your third part? The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. तो cost दी है. So very first let the cost of क्या है? बैट एंड बॉल. A bet is equals to x and the cost of a ball is equals to y. Don't put comma, you have to write the statement, full statement. So according to question, 7 bats, cost of 7 bats is 7x plus 7 bats and 6 balls is of 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls of rupees 1,750. Find the cost of a bat and ball. So from these to find the value of any one, First find the value of x and substitute it second. So this you will do yourself and the answer will come, value of x will come 500 and the value of y will come 50. Okay, this you have to do yourself, try yourself. Now come to question number, fourth part of the same question. Fourth part is, a taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges together with the charges of the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charges paid 105, and for the distance of 15 km, the charges paid 155. What are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? तो पहले तो जो पूछा है वो लिख लेते हैं. Let the fixed charges is equals to x and the charges per kilometer is equals to y. अब क्या कह रहे हैं ये? So what is the question? They are saying कि this is the road. The taxi are starting from here. तो टैक्सी में बैठने के ही पहले एक फिक्स चार्ज है x. मान लो 5 रुपीज़ भी हो सकते हैं, 10 रुपीज़ भी हो सकते हैं, सिर्फ बैठने के. यू आर नॉट मूविंग. तो पहले तो फिक्स चार्जेस हैं ही. फिर पर किलोमीटर, फिर अगर 1 किलोमीटर जा रहे हो, 1 किलोमीटर जा रहे हो तो y चार्जेस, फिर 1 किलोमीटर जाओगे तो y रुपीज़, तो 2 किलोमीटर जाएंगे तो 2y तो होंगे ही, प्लस x भी होंगे इसमें. ठीक है, फिक्स चार्जेस भी होंगे. दिस मीन्स दिस द क्वेश्चन. तो नाउ आई एम रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. The taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges. Taxi charges fixed हैं. Consist of with the charges for distance covered. इसके साथ distance covered के भी charges हैं. For the distance of 10 kilometer, the charges paid is rupees 105. अगर 10 किलोमीटर जा रहे हैं तो charges paid is 105. So for 10 किलोमीटर, तो इसका मतलब पहले तो x रुपीज़ लेंगे ही लेंगे. 1 किलोमीटर के y हैं तो 10 किलोमीटर के 10y, तो कितने रुपीस हो जाते हैं टोटल? 105. तो दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ओके, फॉर द 10 किलोमीटर द चार्जेस आर 105. तो फिक्स भी ऐड कर रहे हैं. एंड फॉर द 15 किलोमीटर, 15 किलोमीटर मीन्स पहले x तो लेने ही है, फिर 1 किलोमीटर के 5 है तो 15 किलोमीटर के 15y. तो फॉर द 15 किलोमीटर द चार्जेस पेड इज 155. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. What are the fixed charges per kilometer or fixed kilometer? The charges, fixed charges and charges per kilometer we have to find. चलो, तो find it. What the value will come? Let us see. तो from 1 find the value of x. From equation number 1 से ही निकाल लो. So from equation 1, x is equals to 105 minus 10y. अब इसको equation number 3 कह दो. Substituting the value of 3 in equation number 2. So substituting the value of 3 in equation 2. So write the equation 2. X plus 15y is equals to 155. What is x? 105 minus 10y plus 15y equals to 155. So 105 को उधर सेंड करोगे तो 15y में से 10y 5y ये हो गया, और 155 minus 105. So 5y equals to 0, 5, 50. So y is equals to 10. तो इसका मतलब पर किलोमीटर चार्जेस है ₹10. ओके, तो यहाँ से x की वैल्यू निकालो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 3. सो फ्रॉम 3 x is equals to 105 minus 10 into y. y कितना आया? 10 आया. So 105 minus 100, so 5 rupees. So fixed charges हो गए 5 rupees. So therefore, so I am writing here, therefore fixed charges are ₹5 and charges per kilometer is ₹10. ठीक है, तो ये तो हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया कि व्हाट आर द फिक्स्ड चार्जेस. Now what they? Second part again they are asking, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 किलोमीटर? अगर उसे 25 किलोमीटर जाना है तो कितना पे करेंगे? तो therefore for 25 किलोमीटर x तो फिक्स चार्जेस हैं, 25 into y इतना पे करेगा. तो x कितना आया 5 रुपीज प्लस 25 इंटू वाई कितना है 10 रुपीज. सो 5 प्लस 250 इज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 255 rupees he has to pay for going 25 kilometer. Okay, clear? This is good question, very interesting. Do it. Question number 5th. Question number 5th is important also. Okay, 5th part means, okay, so the third question, 5th part, this is important for the view of examination. Do it properly. 5th, a fraction becomes x upon 9 upon 11. तो हम पहले कहेंगे let the fraction is x upon y. ठीक है. A fraction becomes 9 upon 11. एक फ्रैक्शन 9 upon 11 हो जाता है. ये फ्रैक्शन बन जाता है 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and the denominator. अगर 2 न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में ऐड कर दें. ठीक है, तो पहले तो इतना ही कर लो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो 11 को यहाँ और इसको यहाँ. तो 11x प्लस 11 2 22 इज इक्वल्स टू 9y प्लस 9 2 18. 11x माइनस 9y इज इक्वल्स टू 18 माइनस 22 माइनस 4 हो गया. ओके, सो दिस बिकम माइनस. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट कंडीशन. Now what they are saying, if 3 is added to both, अब इसी में second one you can say if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. अगर 3 numerator और denominator दोनों में add कर दें, it becomes 5.6. तो ये कितना हो जाता है 5.6. Find the fraction. इसको भी cross multiply करो. ठीक है, 6 यहाँ, this यहाँ. 6x plus 6 3 is 18 is equals to 5y plus 5 3 is 15. 6x minus 5y is equals to 15 minus 18 minus 3. Okay, it will come minus 3. Equation number 2. Now we have to find the fraction. Okay, so same by substitution method let us do. Find the value of x from equation number 2 only. So 6x is equals to minus 3 plus 5y. So x is equals to let me say this is equation number 3. Substituting the value in equation number 1. Okay, so let me substitute the value in equation number 1. So write substituting the value of x in equation 1. Write the equation 1. 11x minus 9y equals to minus 4. What is the value of x? 11 into minus 3 plus 5y whole divided by 6 minus 9y equals to minus 4. So this will become, take LCM, 11 3 is 33 minus 33 plus 11 5 is 55y. Together I am taking the LCM also. 9 6 54 y equals to upon 6 equals to minus 4. Okay, so let me solve this. So 33, 6 will go that side, minus 33 plus minus minus. So plus y equal to minus 24. 33 you send this side, y is equals to minus 24 plus 33. So therefore y is equals to 9. Okay, y is 9 plus 9. Then from equation number 3, x की वैल्यू निकल जाएगी. x is equals to minus 3 plus 5 into 9 whole divided by 6. Solve this. So this will come minus 3. 5 9s are 45 plus 6 equals to 45 minus 3 42. 42 upon 6 plus का आएगा 6 7s are 42. So x is equals to 7. So write then therefore the fraction is, क्या है फ्रैक्शन? x upon y. तो x क्या हो गया 7 and y क्या है 9. So the fraction is 7 upon 9. Okay, there. Come to 6th and last part. So sixth part is 5 years hence, hence means होता है बाद में, the age of Jacob will be 3 times the age of his son. तो पहले तो हम let the present age of, this is your 6th part, okay, Jacob is equals to x and the present age of his son equals to y. According to question, 5 years hence, 5 years hence, age of Jacob कितनी हो जाएगी, x plus 5 and age of his son कितनी हो जाएगी, 5 plus 5. According to question देखो क्या दिया है, 5 years hence the age of Jacob मतलब x plus 5 will be 3 times the age of his son. इसको कैलकुलेट कर लो, x plus y is equals to 3y plus 15. So x minus 3y equals to 5 को उधर भेजो 10. Equation number 1. अब next what they are saying, 5 years ago, और 5 years ago निकालो दोनों की age. 5 years ago, age of Jacob x minus 5 and age of his son y minus 5. According to question, what is given to you? 5 years ago, age of Jacob was 7 times the age of his son y minus 5. What are their present age? Okay, so we have to find the age of this and this. You have to find equation 2. X minus 5 is equals to 7y minus 7 5s are 35. X minus 7y equals to minus 35 plus 5. तो minus का 30 हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Equation number 2. So we got these two equations. Now we have to solve it by substitution method. So let me solve. So let me find from equation number, this is x minus 3y. Okay. So substitution method. Let me find the value of x from equation number 1. So x equals to 10 plus 3y. So from equation 1. So substituting the value of equation 3, substituting the value of equation 3 in equation 2. So x minus 7y equals to minus 30. So we have done substituting the value of equation 3. So what is 3y plus 10 minus 7y equals to minus 30. So we will do 3y minus 7y plus 10 equals to minus 30. So what will come? Minus 4y, 10 will send that side, minus 40. So y is equals to 10. So substituting the value of equation number 3. So therefore x is equals to 10 3s are 30 plus 10. 10 3s are 30 plus 10 equals to 40. So therefore age of Jacob is equals to 40 years and age of his son is equals to y, 10 years. Okay. So for the next exercise we will do in next video. Thank you very much. Keep watching it and do the practice.